We would love to share with you how this professional commercial, complete with a male spokesperson, can help grow your clientele for your plumbing business. Video is an incredible way to get your message out. Did you know that? Read more.